So in today's video, I thought it'd be really fun to show you how to transform just a regular pine garland into a fall garland. So one of the very first things that you want to do before you start adding some fun stuff to the garland is make sure you have the lights in, if you want lights. So one of the very first things I'm going to add are these little pumpkins. These actually have a nice little wire stem on the bottom, so I can just wrap those around the main stem of the garland. So the next thing I'm going to add are some of these dried leaves. Some of these I'm going to leave on the little stems, and others I'm going to remove. But basically, I'm just going to start adding in some of these leaves. So since there's multiple different colors of leaves in that bunch, I'm going to add all of the same color at the same time just to make sure that the spacing is even. And just to mention, if you are doing this on a real fireplace, make sure the floral doesn't get anywhere near heat or flame. This fireplace actually is a gel fuel fireplace, and we don't use it. So a lot of times I'll just have fun battery operated flameless candles going underneath, so there's no risk of fire. So the next thing I'm going to add is some of this cornstalk-like floral. So I'm just going to prune these off the main stem and start adding them to the garland. And for the most part, our garland kind of moves this way. So I'm going to aim the floral that way as well. That is kind of the nice thing about pine garlands, is you can really dress them for different seasons. And then next, I'm going to add some of these little corn cobs. So the next thing I'm going to add are these artificial magnolia leaves. And to finish off the look, I've added some little blue colored berries. So the garland is complete, and now it's time to plug in the lights and see how it looks.